So there's the left side of the engine, the driver's side. Here's the temperature sending unit. It's from Holley. Takes a 13/16 socket. I'm using a deep so as to not interfere with this terminal that's on the end. So I'm going to zoom in to where that thing goes, right there, and install it. And somewhere under this hood there's a wire that connects to it. I'll have to find that. And there we go. Just having a bit of trouble threading that. I thought maybe it was the wrong size. Didn't get the socket over that electrical connection tab there. That's why it wasn't going on. And this I'm going to go with, since it's already pre-loaded with Teflon tape. I'm not going to go too tight. I'm going to go about spark plug tight. And now, if I can find the wire, there it is. Temperature sending unit is installed. There's a little bracket here that was on the original alternator, but I don't know that there's a place to bolt it to the new alternator. It's non-functional other than to hold the wires in place. So it's not a big deal, but I would rather it not be like that. Maybe I'll just bend it straight, take it off. That might be what I do. Looks like it might have stopped raining. I might be able to make a run for the house. I hope you saw some of that, because the camera wasn't in focus when I looked at it. But I think that's a decent afternoon's progress. I got the lines to the air conditioning compressor connected. I got the heater hoses connected, and all those, the worst part of it was routing them, because that took time to figure out where best to put those things. But this might be a better view of the air conditioner compressor, that the way those are connected.